Every single year on 2 to 3 occasions, the images that usually fill your screens are images like these. A reminder of how India has progressed enormously in so many ways, but in some of the most fundamental ways, we are stuck. We are exactly the same. Look at these pictures, viewer, today, from Pune to Navi Mumbai to Gujarat to Assam to other parts of the country. These aren't archival images. These are all images from today or yesterday or sometime this week. Recent images, whether it is Hardoi, whether it is Damo in Madhya Pradesh, the images are the same. No matter how much India progresses, no matter how much we move towards dreams of being a developed nation, no matter how much we are taxed, and we are taxed, no matter how good we are as citizens, no matter how loyal we are, no matter how law-abiding we are, these are the cities that our political systems have given us. India's biggest cities are broken. India's financial capital is completely shattered. India's student city, Pune, is almost entirely underwater. Pune has seen 3 deaths today. In Mumbai, people can't go out. They're sitting at home. In every part of the country, in every major city, whether an A city or a B city or a tier 3 city, inundation, flooding, waterlogging is the order of the day. There is literally no part of the country that appears to be waterproof, whether it is Chennai, whether it is Bengaluru, whether it is Hyderabad, whether it is Kolkata, whether it is Delhi, whether it is Mumbai and Pune, whether it is Assam. The fact is, India has proven to be a country of cities that have been betrayed by political systems and governments for decades together, to such an extent that even the smallest bit of rain means that your taxes do not matter. In fact, all of the taxes you pay are thrown back in your face with images like these. Take a look at the latest.
Roads submerged, bridges inundated, traffic hit, citizens wading through knee-deep water. Many districts of Maharashtra are battered by incessant rains. There is no respite from rains for the state capital, Mumbai. The maximum city is experiencing extensive waterlogging. Vihar Lake, a crucial water source for the city, is overflowing. Pune is worst hit. The city's infrastructure is under strain. The Bhide Bridge is completely underwater, cutting off a vital route for many. Citizens are struggling to navigate through the flooded streets.
Municipal corporation and the rescue teams have already been arrived. The local police administration is also there. They are working on their behalf of the government, and we'll have to see how many people are stuck inside. We'll check out exactly how many people are there and how the whole rescue operation is going on.
पूरा ग्राउंड फ्लोर के फ्लैट सारे पानी में है, फर्स्ट फ्लोर तक पानी आ गया है और कम से कम 500-600 लोग अभी ऊपर अटके हुए हैं जिनको निकालना है.
पूरा घर में सामान मेहमान नीचे गिर गए पानी की वजह से. पूरा नुकसान है. प्रशासन ने कुछ पहले से बताया नहीं, इसलिए ज्यादा ये गड़बड़ हो गए.
Water from the Katraj Peshwa Lake is overflowing through the bridge, forcing a road closure. The Mutha River in Pune is also overflowing. An orange alert has been issued due to heavy rains that have pounded the city for the second consecutive day. Schools and colleges are closed, and industrial establishments granted employees a day off due to the relentless rain. Residents are advised to stay indoors and avoid non-essential travel. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister and Pune Guardian Minister Ajit Pawar held a meeting at the district headquarters to take stock. Heavy rain in Bhiwandi led to severe flooding. In Ulhasnagar, the Ulhas River has exceeded its danger level, raising concerns. Nagpur is also suffering from heavy rain, which has led to water entering homes and causing widespread disruption. In Kolhapur, the downpour has created flood-like conditions, while Thane district faces significant flooding in low-lying areas. Kalyan, Dombivli and rural areas of Thane districts are waterlogged too.
कैचमेंट में भी बहुत बारिश गिर रहा है, डैम में भी गिर रहा है. इसके डबल वजह से ज़्यादा पानी हुआ है. लेकिन वहाँ पर सभी लोग तैनात हैं. मैं कलेक्टर, दोनों म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर, दोनों पुलिस कमिश्नर सबको सूचना दी है. एनडीआरएफ को दिया है. एनडीआरएफ का टीम वहाँ काम कर रही है. आर्मी भी मूव हो रही है वहाँ पर रेस्क्यू के लिए.
The impact of the rains across cities in Maharashtra highlights a clear failure in administrative response and preparedness. Bureau Report, India Today.